Hey everybody, I'm Evan the intern with Bethpage Federal Credit Union, and we are here at Old Bethpage Village Restoration for the Haunted Tales Walk. I brought some victims with me to show you just how scary it really is. Let's go check it out. All right, we're here with some of our victims. Do you have any last words?
I'm gonna miss you, Bethpage.
I love you, Mom!
Zoink scoop! I hope I don't mess up my makeup!
There you have it. Just making the coffins. You never know when death will knock on your door. Perfect. 5-5. Perfect. I'll make you a coffin just like this. Remember, I'm always here if you want to get measured for your coffin.
I just don't want to look at the windows.
You guys are...
Whoa, sorry!
Sometimes they're in my closet. Sometimes when I wake up from my sleep, they're there, staring at me, waiting for me. Even if I close my eyes, I know they're watching me, ready to snatch me, take me from my room.
I'm just glad I brought my adult diapers with me today. It served a purpose.
It was good. Scary.
Welcome to the Haunted Mansion. We have thrills, chills, and everything in between. But tonight, you are all invited this evening.
They did not survive.
It was awesome. Very scared. I liked how there was a lot of different attractions. I highly recommend it. Definitely come back.
Yeah, overall it's really good. I like how you have to walk through every scene to experience everything. Definitely the last haunted house was probably the most fun.
Haunted Tales is amazing. It is a good, fun scare. Chainsaw, it's a little frightening. I wasn't frightened, of course.
If you don't fall at least once, twice maybe, then you're definitely not doing it right, for sure.